Everybody, how are you? So, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different and exciting. So, what I want you to do is to think about the food you really like to eat, and I want you to learn how to make that dish. And then I want you to do a video to demonstrate that dish on how you cook it to me and the class. Now, before we start, let's look at some common words that we use for cooking, some verbs. So, wash, peel, chop, make, fry, boil, spread, pour, bake, and measure. As you'll know, there's many verbs. That is just some that we're using. Also, when you're doing the video, I also want you to use transitional words like first, then, next, so that whoever is watching it can understand what is happening. I will show you now an example, okay? Today we're going to make a curried egg and salad roll, and this is everything you need to prepare. We need some pepper, some salt, some mayonnaise, some curry powder, a tomato, some lettuce, and some boiled eggs, some margarine, and a roll. So, first you need to boil your eggs. Once your eggs are boiled, cool them down, and then you have to peel them. And then finished, boiled egg. Then you put the boiled eggs into another bowl, you get rid of the shells, put them to the side. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, as much as you like, a tiny little bit of curry powder, and some mayonnaise. Then what we're going to do is mash them up. This is a hard bit. You might need to get your mum and dad to help you with this part. You mash it up. Then you mash it up like this with a fork or the back of a spoon, whatever is easiest for you. You mash it up all really good. And then you might want to add a little bit more mayonnaise. Up to you how much mayonnaise you like. And then mash all that in till it looks like a nice, bit lumpy still consistency, but all mashed up. And then a lumpy consistency like that, once you've mashed it all up, and then place it to the side. You have to wash your vegetables, which I've already washed these vegetables, it's a bit of lettuce there, and you need to slice your tomato, but wash it first. You can add carrot and onion and lots of different things if you like, but I've only chosen these ones today. So then you get a knife, but maybe you need to get your mum and dad to help you with this one. So then we're going to slice the tomato. Like so. Okay, put that in the bowl. Next we're going to get our bread. So I'm only going to use half of this, so I'm going to chop it in half. Then I'm going to put a cut down the side, or you can put it in the top, it doesn't really matter, up to you. So place it down and drag the knife through. Once that's done, then we're going to move on to some margarine. We're going to butter our nice, fresh, crispy roll. So we open up the roll and we put some butter in. Like so. Now we're going to start assembling the roll. Okay? Now we're ready for the assembly part. So, what you want to do first is get your vegetables, and we put some lettuce on. Like so. Next we're going to use the tomatoes. So get 3 or 4 slices of tomato and we place them in the roll like so. And finally we're going to get our curried egg. We get a spoon, get our curried egg, and we place it in the roll like so. Like so. You might also like to put a little bit of pepper on the top and a little bit of mayonnaise if you wish. So you'll end up with that. Okay, so simple to make a curried egg and salad roll. So I'm waiting for your dish on how you're going to do it, and do it in the video so we can all watch on how you make your favorite food or how you make something you like. And now I'm going to enjoy my curried egg sandwich.